My name is Catherine Ladhani. I am the academic chair for the radiation therapy and MRI programs at the Michener Institute for Education at UHN. It's a really exciting and different time right now, and very excited to welcome you to come to learn a little bit more about our programs. We have within my portfolio 2 radiation therapy programs, one with joint with the University of Toronto as part of the Medical Radiation Sciences joint program, and one focused more on the needs of Northern Ontario, so that is joint with our Laurentian University partner. I really want to thank you and encourage you to attend the sessions in radiation therapy and MRI, and looking forward to seeing you as potentially future colleagues. Take care.
I'm Reshika Balakrishnan, faculty at the Michener Institute in the radiation therapy program. You're considering a program in healthcare at the right time. Every contribution that you make in healthcare makes a phenomenal impact in today's society. The Michener Institute provides programs for both Laurentian University as well as for University of Toronto. The program admission requirements are different for both of these programs. The interesting aspect of this program is that it is direct entry from high school. The requirements to enter into this program is a high school diploma along with a minimum of 6 university level courses. The program on its own has many forms of instruction that is being given. One of the interesting aspects is that you will have in-person classes at the Laurentian University in Sudbury. Online learning happening through the Michener Institute. This program has a clinical component where our students will be placed in a clinical hospital affiliated with the program, where they'll get to work with radiation therapists alongside the rest of the team. Radiation therapists work very closely with a team of professionals. We tend to work with radiation oncologists, physicists, nurses, and other fellow allied health professionals. We use advanced computer systems and sophisticated radiation therapy equipment to deliver radiation to our patients. It involves a lot of technical work as well as patient care, where you are talking to people and helping them through a very difficult time in their lives. The work is fast-paced, diverse, and involves a lot of interpersonal communication skills with not only the patient, but also with their families. A good portion of our time is spent talking to the patients as well as their families, helping them address their concerns as they go along treatments. If you like the idea of playing a vital role in healthcare, working alongside with patients and other healthcare professionals, excellent communication skills, you're looking at a very appropriate program for yourselves. You want to play a vital role in a patient's cancer treatments, a strong communicator, and have an apt for computers and technological programs. Radiation therapy might be a good fit for you. Whether it's designing a treatment plan, applying radiation, or supporting our patients through their treatments, you're providing a vital role in their lives and contributing to their lives tremendously.
My name is Nusha Nobahari. I'm a faculty member in the radiation therapy program at Michener. In our joint program with the University of Toronto, not only will you earn an advanced diploma from the Michener, you'll also earn a Bachelor of Science degree in Medical Radiation Sciences from the University of Toronto's Faculty of Medicine. The University of Toronto Joint Program is what's referred to as a second entry program, which means you need at least 1 year of university education in order to apply into the program. The program is a total of 8 semesters done consecutively over a 3-year period, with on-site classes at both the Michener Institute and the University of Toronto, and hands-on clinical experience at one of our affiliated cancer centers. Students learn through a mixture of classroom time, hands-on laboratory activities, and clinical experience with one of Michener's many affiliated healthcare partners. These placements prepare students to be job ready. On top of the hands-on experience, students get the opportunity to network with potential future employers. For full details on admission requirements to both the Michener Laurentian program and the Michener U of T program, please refer to the Michener website. Upon graduation from the program, career opportunities include entering the field to work at a cancer center as a radiation therapist, entering the field of research, or working in industry. Further career opportunities include becoming an advanced practice radiation therapist or a clinical specialist radiation therapist, working in the field of management or education, or going on to obtain dual certification in MRI. Michener graduates have contributed so much to patient health and safety during the time of COVID. As faculty, we're incredibly proud of the work our graduates are doing on the front lines and behind the scenes. No matter which program you choose, a Michener education sets you up to be more than a healthcare provider. It's a higher calling. We look forward to addressing your questions in our live Q&A session for radiation therapy. See you soon!